Díomh Cuairde and welcome back to the Irish Oral Survival Guide. Today we're going to look at the straw picture. The straw picture is the dreaded one. However, there's nothing to dread this year because you only have to do 10. So it could be worse, you could have to do 20. As you know, in the day with the straw pictures, you pick out one random one. You bring in a post-it note on the day with the straw pictures that you have done and give it to the examiner. Pick out one random one that you have to do. Here are some hints and tips for the straw picture. First of all, the straw picture that you do is worth 33.3% of your Irish oral. So it's well worth putting your time into. Always good habit when you pick out your straw picture before you start to name out the title of the straw picture. You're looking to have 5 to 6 sentences per picture. What they're looking for here is really good descriptive Irish and also a good wide use of verbs. So I'm going to help you out with that. I'm going to put up 2 pictures of verbs. Make sure to screenshot them. They're all you need. Here is side 1. Here is side 2. Also make sure to stick to 1 tense. You will get penalised if you do not stick to 1 tense. Unless where applicable, of course. I highly recommend the Irish Gotcha. I just think it's an easy, it gets way easier. We know it. Last tip is do not forget that you have to ask the examiner 3 questions at the end and they have to ask you 3. Here are some questions that apply to literally every single picture, so use these.